In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact form on your Shopify store. Having a clear and easy to use contact form is one of the simplest ways to help your visitors reach you, ask questions, or request support. I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, from creating the page to adding it to your navigation and testing it on your live store. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the section called Online Store. Click on that, and it will expand to show more options underneath. From those options, click on Pages. Here you'll see a list of all the pages that currently exist on your store. In the top right corner of this list, click on Add Page to create a brand new page. You're now in the page editor. At the top, give your new page a clear title, such as Contact Us. This title is what your customers will see, so keep it simple and recognizable. Next, look over to the settings in the sidebar and make sure the visibility is set to Visible. This ensures that once you're done, your customers will actually be able to access the page. If it's set to Hidden, the page won't appear on your live site. Just below the visibility settings, you'll see a section labeled Template. Under that, there's a drop-down box. Click on the drop-down and choose the option called Contact. This template automatically adds a basic contact form to your page, so you don't have to build one from scratch. Once you've selected the contact template, click Save, either at the bottom right or at the top near the search bar. Now that the page exists, let's link it to your store's navigation so visitors can find it easily. Go back to the left sidebar and click on Content, then choose Menus. You'll see a list of your menus, like your main menu or footer menu. Decide where you want the contact page to appear and click on that menu to edit it. Inside the menu editor, click Add Menu Item. Two fields will appear, one for the label and one for the link. In the label text box, type something like Contact Us. Then click inside the link text box. A drop-down will appear with different link types. Choose Pages, then select the contact page you just created. Confirm the selection and then click Save. Finally, let's test that everything works. On the left panel, hover over Online Store and click the eye icon that appears. This opens a preview of your live store. Once it loads, look for the Contact Us item in your navigation, click it, and wait for the page to open. You should now see your contact form. Go ahead and try submitting a test message to make sure it functions correctly. If everything looks good, your Shopify contact form is ready for your customers to use.